How to start affiliate marketing for beginners 2023, guys. Welcome to this video that I have put together for you guys. If you're new here, it's me, Georgia B, and today I'm going to walk you guys step by step, if you are a beginner in affiliate marketing, on how I've been able to do it and how I would recommend that you do it, just what has worked for me, what has not worked for me, and things like that. So make sure you take out your pen and your paper and you take notes, because I'm gonna be going and showing you guys literally step by step on how to start affiliate marketing for beginners. And this is for 2023, and I will be able to do updated ones for you guys as I learn more and grow within this space. But what I can tell you is that it's not hard at all. It's super simple. It's just really about doing the work. And it's not even hard work. I mean, you can't be afraid of hard work, but it's not hard work. So starting out, what is affiliate marketing? If you're new to affiliate marketing, as I was familiar with it prior, but pretty much if you have used any type of product or service and you enjoyed it, you liked it, all you're doing is sharing your experience with that product or service, and then you get paid a percentage or a set cost from sharing your experience, right? So these companies, for example, Best Buy might say, if you share a product, they will give you back 10% of the cost of the product, right? And they track that by using a particular link, which I'm going to show you guys how to do all that. So that's a simple explanation. And basically people make a lot of money from this. So I had actually never made money from affiliate marketing prior to this. And if you're new to my channel, then you don't know that last year was my first year, I guess, being a YouTuber. Everything was brand new to me, in the sense of like really putting myself out there and doing this stuff online. And I made over $12,000. And so that was a combination of YouTube, affiliate marketing, and different things. So I'm just going to be walking you through the process. Nobody taught me this. It was just kind of putting two and two together, and so I just wanted to bring you guys that information today. So first thing is first is that when you're trying to do affiliate marketing, you need to decide on which companies you're going to do the affiliate marketing for. And so there's a couple ways to do this. You're either going to choose a platform, or you're going to go specifically to a company's website and that you have experience with, which is what I highly recommend. And I mean, if you're a human being, you have experience with so many things, right? So you can't sit here and say, I don't have experience with anything. Like, what do you like? What do you enjoy? What do you talk to your friends about? That's what you want to select of what you want to share, online. So what I'm going to do is show you guys here. It's a company called Impact. This is one affiliate marketing company. And just to show you guys a little bit of my back office, this is how much I just made with Impact alone from last year to now. So it was over $2,300, right? And this is on a small scale of 1,700 clicks. I was able to make this. And that's just dependent on the companies that I have chosen on this particular platform and how much I got paid through those companies, right? Because it might be a percentage or it might be a set cost. So that's how much I, made with this particular platform. And so I'm going to show you guys how to use this platform, or I'm going to give you an example of another platform of how you will find if they have an affiliate program. So first things first is that when you come to Impact, you will register an account. You do need to already have your social set up. So if you're going to be marketing, and I'm going to get more into that, if you're going to be marketing on TikTok or, IG or whatever the case might be, because they're going to ask you for your link. So you're going to set that up first, right? Your TikTok. And I would say maybe, you can note down maybe whichever platform you want to use, because I'm going to talk about it. So when you come here, you're going to register your account, do everything you need to do. Just be as detailed as possible on your application. I don't believe that they deny people applications, because once you get into the platform, at this point, you want to apply to brands. So all I did was click on brands, and then I would click on find brands. And so I'm under the feature tab. And so you're able to look at some features, and then also on this side, they have categories. So let's say you're like, okay, I want to see if they have a company that I have already used, or maybe I'm interested in using. then you would be looking over here. So I hope that's making sense so far. And then I'm just going to click on one of these to show you. So let's say you've done Instacart before and you're like, I want to promote Instacart. Then what you would do is you would click on this. And so you'll come here, and then let's say you decide to do Instacart. This, I don't know why this is not showing properly, but it should be an option to say apply. I'm not sure if that's down right now. So, and then they'll tell you how much they're paying. So anybody that has activated their account with Instacart, from my understanding, it looks like you earn $10, and that's within a 7-day period. And then any subscriptions that are paid, that somebody comes in and pays a Instacart subscription, then you would make $21, and it looks like that's within a 21-day period. From the time that they click on your link and then they do a paid subscription, you would get $20 within the 21-day period. Like, to give you another example, an affiliate that I'm a part of is that anytime somebody submits an application for something, then I get paid $50 for the application being submitted. And then another one, I get a percentage whenever somebody purchases something from another affiliate that I have. So that's just to give you an example. So it's super simple. And then just so you know, what happens is when you do become an affiliate, let me show you guys brands home. When you become an affiliate, you would go here to create a link. You would click on Canva. You would click on create a link, right? This is at the home page. You would click on the brand that you're a part of. So in this instance, let's say I'm going to do Canva, and then you would click on create. At this point, they're basically creating your custom referral link that later on I'll show you where you'll put that in order to keep track of anybody that clicks on your link for your affiliate link. So before we proceed over to like more stuff, let's say for example you see impacts. Also, I'm gonna put here on the screen a list of other affiliate programs that you could possibly join. Please know that this video is not affiliated in any way. I don't have any affiliate links with these, or I don't have any sponsorships or anything with these affiliate companies. This is all based on my experience, right? So go ahead and note down on the screen these particular other affiliate companies that you can join as well. And then they have a list of companies that they're partnered with. In the case that you join these other affiliate companies like Impact, Partner Stack, places like that, and you don't see companies that you want to use or whatever the case might be, even Amazon has an affiliate account as well, then you're going to go to a site, whatever website. The example I have here is Target. So you're going to go to the Target website. Let's say you want to be affiliate of Target or whatever website that you want to share, your experience with. Then you would go to their site and go to the bottom of their website. If they do have an affiliate program, typically at the bottom of their website, you're going to see an option that says affiliates and partners, or sometimes I might just say partners, or I might just say affiliates. When you click on that, it's going to open up sometimes another page, and it'll basically be a affiliate application. When you apply, sometimes they'll take you to whoever they're affiliated with, and then you will complete the application. So it might not necessarily be a Target website, but they might take you to a company that they're partnered with where they do their affiliate program through. So I hope that makes sense. The platform where they do their affiliate program through. So just to give you an option, in the case that you join Partner Stack or you join, another company and you're like, they don't have what I'm looking for, or they don't have the type of brands that I have worked with or that I want to work with. So we covered the topic of affiliate. We covered the topic of the platforms in order to find affiliates, how to get your link, and in the option that you join a platform, an affiliate platform, and you don't like what they have, then this is an alternative for you. Or you can go straight here and be like, I'm gonna go straight to the companies that actually, have an affiliate program that you want to share, right? Because you can join those and then go through the list and see that you don't have them, or you can just go directly to the company's website. So I hope that makes sense. At this point, now you have the affiliates you want to have. Like I said, you want to do about 2 to 3 affiliate companies. I would say start with that, like 2 to 3 affiliate products or services specifically that you want to share, right? So it might be clothes from Target. It might be Instacart, right? We're just going to use those examples and your experience with that. At this point, now you need to come up with a strategy to share, because in order to get people to, you know, find you and what you're doing, you need to figure out a way to attract them, right? And so my personal favorite contact strategy, or whatever you want to call it, is going to be TikTok. TikTok it's a search engine, and I love TikTok. Also YouTube. So a lot of my, as you know, obviously you're watching this video, I have started my YouTube channel last year, and that's the majority of how I've been able to do it. YouTube, if you want to do YouTube, definitely check out my YouTube videos on how I've been able to grow on YouTube. It's a lot more back work that you do need to do. With TikTok, it's a lot simpler. It's more straight to the point. Plus, it's a search engine, and it's shorter form content, so you can, you know, get to the bag quicker. You feel me? So what you could do is you would go to TikTok. And when you go to TikTok, you want to type in Target. All I did was type in Target, and then it gave me a list of other words, and I put in Target haul. Because remember, if you want to bring in this traffic, you want to find what videos. Okay, so this is the way my mind works. You want to go to TikTok, and then you want to, let's say you're going to do Target. You're looking for what content is working on TikTok in order to promote Target, right? So if you're going to be doing certain things on clothes or whatever the case might be, then you want to see what's getting views, because the views, I'm a numbers girl. The views are going to show you where people are gravitating towards. So it's already like a proven method, right? This is what I've done with my YouTube channel. This is what I've done with my TikTok. My TikTok, I have not been this consistent, so my TikTok is still smaller. But even like growing my TikTok is like, I've only had a few videos and I have like 3,000 followers on TikTok. But it's because I was doing what was working for other people, but I made it my own and I stayed true to my brand. So that's like the caveat. You always have to be yourself. I'm not telling you to mock the video to be this person, but you want to look at what they're doing and, you know, how they're maneuvering in that space, and ask yourself, okay, how can I do that but make it my own, right? So, for example, I looked up this and I see Target haul. This girl, for example, 685,000 views. So people are obviously liking the video. For example, this other one, she does a Target haul as well. She said, everything is linked in my LTK, which looks like it's some type of link in bio type of thing, right? But I can guarantee you that she has affiliate links, and that's how she's making money as an affiliate. So pretty much do your research, go to TikTok and look this up. I don't want to play it because I don't want to get copyrighted, but this is exactly what I would be, you know, looking at. You would look at obviously they're getting views. I would look at the hashtags they're using. Like this girl added Target in her video. That's a note you want to take. Also, I would say look at the captions that they're writing. All of these things are going to give you an idea of how to create the content around getting people to watch. Because once they watch, at that point, you want to be able to tell them and look at the strategies that the person's using to be like, okay, the link is in my bio, or everything is linked in my storefront, you know, like Amazon storefront or whatever the case might be. So I hope this is helpful. I would say, let's say you're not, I just want to go a little bit deeper. Let's say you're not going to do clothes. Let's say you're going to do Instacart, right? And I think Instacart is groceries. So let's say you can be like, oh, you know, you would go here, you would do a search, and you would say, okay, you would type in Instacart. You would see how people are doing Instacart, and you pretty much would make it your own. At that point, you would need to order Instacart, right? If you're already a member at this point. Remember, we talked about like you should have experience with them. So if you have any previous footage, or you need to order groceries anyway, you're just documenting it. So it's not, you know, it's not difficult at all. It's literally you just sharing your experience, and you're making money from it. You're going to share it anyway. You share it with your friends. You talk to your friends. When it comes to your link, is that you want to put it in the link that you got from either the direct website where you're going to be doing your affiliate links from, the affiliate program link that you have. You just want to put it in your bio. So let's say you decide to do TikTok, then you can do Linktree. They do have a free version of Linktree. They have free versions of, you know, different things like that. I use BioSite. I'm not affiliated with them in any way. I do use BioSite. I pay like $3.99 a month for that one, and that's for my TikTok. But you can use Linktree. They have a free version of that, and then you would just put your link, and then you would want to just be simple. And let's say you do a Target haul. You could say spring Target haul, right? And then you will put the link. You will put your affiliate link, and then you would do it basically like that. So that's how you want to make sure that you're plugging in your link. So when people do come to your page or your website or whatever the case might be, they know how to get the products that you are sharing or the services that you are sharing, and you get credit for it. What I do want to mention is if you decide to do Amazon affiliate, this is why you guys don't skip my videos. If you are seeing this, because I drop gems, baby. Like, listen, baby, I drop gems. So you want to do a deep link. And so you can literally just Google deep links. I know URL Genius does deep links, and I have to find out what other company does deep links. But you definitely want to do a deep link. And what that basically is just when somebody clicks on your Amazon affiliate link, it jumps them to the app if they have the app on their phone. The reason why this is important is because, have you ever been on a site or even YouTube, and then it doesn't take you directly to the YouTube app, and it asks you to sign in, and then you might have lost a customer? So in order to guarantee that you get credit, especially for my Amazon affiliate people, make sure you're doing deep links. I know, like I said, URL Genius. If you're not sure, definitely Google deep links and find out the company and test out your links to make sure that they are working. You know, especially for like my Amazon people. So that's all I really want to say as far as that goes. Treat it as if you're talking to your friends and you're just sharing your experience. So I hope that was super simple. It's not hard. What else do I want to mention? The last thing I want to say is providing social proof. So social proof just basically means like the actual product or whatever the case might be. For example, my social proof in this video was showing you my back office of impact, and showing you, okay, the money I've made. Even in the video where I show you how much money I made from, you know, YouTube and all the other platforms and everything, including affiliate marketing, it was my social proof, right? Of me being like, okay, I did this. So it doesn't have to be, you know, you just want to basically show your experience, because your experience is the social proof. Last thing I kind of want to mention, because I feel like, as Stefan Speaks would say, like, it's hitting my spirit. So I want to mention that when it comes to, I see there's a lot of people that want to do Amazon affiliate, and Amazon affiliate, I love Amazon affiliate. I'm with that. So if you decide that you want to do Amazon affiliate, you would do the same thing. Pick a particular product, and then you would share your experience. I hope this was super helpful for you guys. Let me know your questions down below. My goal for this year is I want to answer all of my comments. So if you have a question, put your question in the comments and I will answer your question. Ask me specifically as possible, whatever your question might be, what's on your mind. And then also let me know which company are you looking to be an affiliate of. I would love to discuss with you guys down below, because I'm replying to comments all 2023. So make sure you do leave me a comment and make sure you ask me whatever questions you have. I'm going to answer you guys' question. I'm wishing you guys the best of luck. You guys can do it. Quick motivation TED Talk. Listen, you guys, I started out and I did not know what I was doing. Like, I mean, you know, common sense, but I had nobody like holding my hand. You know what I'm saying? So I'm happy to just be able to show you guys the process of how I did it, how I was able to make it work for me, my mindset, my strategy, and let you guys know that you can do it. Just start simple. When you get overwhelmed, just think about the next one step in front of you. Don't think about the 10 steps in front of you. Just think about, what do you have to do today? Start today. Don't wait till Monday. Every day is an opportunity, and I love you guys. Thank you guys so much for all that you guys have, you know, impacted me on this channel and just supporting me, and I really appreciate you guys. And I want you guys to get it. I want you guys to get the bag. I want you guys to get the affiliate marketing bag, the online bag, because there's room for all of us. So never feel like people are already doing it. You can do it. That's a loser's mindset, and you are a winner in the name of Jesus. Amen. I'll talk to you guys later, and I love you guys. Bye.